Hi all, today in this video we are going to explain the fourth section of the poem Passage to India by Walt Whitman. The poem Passage to India celebrates the spiritual voyage, the spiritual travel from the land of materialism to the land of spirituality. Here in this section, fourth section, poet appreciates the works of captains and sailors, without works of them, this spiritual voyage will not be possible. It could not be accomplished. Large numbers of captains and sailors were dead in this voyage. They have worked hard in connecting the world, in uniting the world which was divided by a different section, color, sex and religion and all. The world is so vast, it is been divided and it was united with the help of the works of captains and sailors. The captains and sailors, they have faced large numbers of struggles and difficulties in accomplishing this passage, in fulfilling this passage. In uniting this world, they have faced many struggles. They have faced difficulties. So here the poet appreciates the works of captains and sailors. So we are going to read the poem and explain. Passage to India. Struggles of many a captain, tales of many a sailor dead. Over my mood stealing and spreading they come, like clouds and cloudlets in the unreached sky. Passage to India. He is extolling, he is appreciating struggles of many a captains while remembering this passage. While going through this passage, comes into his mind struggles of many a captain. Come into his mind struggles of many a captain, large numbers of captains. They have struggled hard and tales of many a sailor dead. Comes into his mind tales of large numbers of sailors who are dead, who were dead. Over my mood, stealing and spreading they come. Struggles of captains and tales of sailors come into his mood, stealing and spreading. They come. See, unintentionally they come. He is not deliberately thinking of them, but they come unintentionally, stealing and spreading, like clouds and cloudlets in the unreached sky. He is comparing what the remembrance of the struggles and what the difficulties and death of sailors. They are coming like clouds and cloudlets in the unreached sky. They are coming like clouds and cloudlets in the unreached sky. Along all history down the slopes, as a rivulet running, singing now and now again to the surface rising. A ceaseless thought, a varied train, lo, soul, to thee thy sight they rise. Along all history, it cannot be wiped out. There is in the history. In every history there can be struggles of captains and sailors. Down the slopes, as a rivulet running. Down the slopes as a rivulet running. It will be there. Singing now and now again to the surface rising. It will be sometimes singing and sometimes it come into the surface rising. A ceaseless thought, varied train, lo soul, to thee thy sight they rise. They are like a rivulet. Sometimes it sings and rises. Sometimes rises. But it is always there. It is always there. Lo soul, look soul, to thee thy sight they rise. the plans, the voyages again, the expedition. Again Vasco da Gama sails forth. Again Vasco da Gama comes forth. In every history it can be seen. Some Vasco da Gamas will be there. Again the knowledge gained. Whenever the sailing, the voyage is there, knowledge is being gained. The mariner's compass. Lands found and nations born. In every history, lands found and nations born. Though born America for purpose vast, man's long probation filled. Man's long training is being filled by the birth of what? This America. The rendezvous of the world at last accomplished. The rendezvous. The world-like structure, globe-like structure of the world at last accomplished. You are being united. See, world is being united with the help of the passages done by captains and sailors who are dead and they have faced many struggles and difficulties. Okay, here the poet is appreciating their works. Section 4 tells how many a captain struggled to reach India. Large numbers of captains struggled to reach India. History seems like an underground stream which now and again rises to the surface. Seems like an underground stream. Occasionally comes forward. And sometimes it will be singing. And sometimes it will rise. This Whitman praises Vasco da Gama, who discovered the sea route to India and who thus accomplished the purpose vast. The rendezvous, that means rounding, globe-like structure of the world, was accomplished with the help of these captains and travelers. This is a tribute. This is an appreciation to the courage and adventurous spirit of the West in seeking a passage to India. The poet has a vision of history as a rivulet running, and this dominates his sense of space. History is conceived of as a progression of continuous events which are like a flowing stream. See, there will be a continuous events will be there. Sometimes it may be hiding, sometimes it may come into the mainstream, into forward. They come into the forward. This stream joins the spiritual sea which the poet's vision endures historical happenings with spiritual meaning. Anyway, here the poet is appreciating their works, hard works, struggles. Okay, thank you.